Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to borrow money from Chime even if you don't have direct deposit set up using only safe and legal methods. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So Chime's official Support Me feature, which actually lets you overdraft up to $200, is only available if you have regular direct deposits. But if you don't have it, here are some of the legit alternatives still using your Chime account. So option one, you can use cash advance apps and you can link it to Chime. So there are apps like Earnin, Clio, Dave, Albert. So these actually lets you borrow small amounts with no direct deposit required, just regular account activity. So you can link your Chime account, you can allow the transaction access, and they may approve a small advance based on your spending habits. Now, if you already have a Chime credit builder card, you can add funds manually and use it to borrow against your own deposit. It is not a loan, but it actually helps manage the expenses with no credit checks or any interest. If someone is sending you money through Chime, it may show up early even without the formal payout direct deposit. So you can transfers from Zelle, PayPal and Venmo can sometimes qualify for the quicker access. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.